winning Gold Gloves every year. Hard to move him out from back there. Hit well to left center. Holiday still back on this one, and it'll deflect away from him. Cervelli off to the races, digging in for 3, and he's got a leadoff triple.
That hit it to the deep part of the ballpark into that 410 notch. And that little bit of a breeze is not much, but what there is blowing out towards center field, and Holiday just could not catch up to this one at all. He is not he's not a Gold Glover out there. We'll just say that.
And he didn't even start the game in left. It's the speedy Tommy Pham who's normally out there, but leaving the game with injury. So Cervelli with 5 3-baggers last year. Great way to start it off for the Bucks here in the 6th.